We have grown in a geographic area, not only in Missouri, but in Illinois in the last 5 years. For sure, we acquired the Carthage lot over there, and we do as many as 4 sales a year at Carthage, Illinois. And we brought on extra staff to do that. We have 3 actually, full-time commission people, if you will, from Illinois. And so that's certainly a change from 5 years ago. You know, our base business is probably, our principles are about the same. You know, we do the on-site sales here in Paris twice a year, July and January. Then we do 100 off-site sales a year, would be real estate, farm real estate, farm machinery, estate sales, and so on and so forth. So those have grown in themselves over the past 5 years, and without mentioning the additional locations that we've acquired. And we are now getting really excited about our new facility at Gilman, Illinois, with Dakota Board Shoes.